And today I'm going to be fishing with some fathead minnows. Let's see what I can catch.
Look at that. Oh, that was a crappie. Oh, nice.
Alright guys, so I got a crappie on the fathead minnow. Here he is. Came off the hook, nice and easy, but it looks like he ate the minnow. And here he is, guys. A nice crappie. So we're going to release him.
Alright. Hi there, it's Brian. I got another little crappie on the minnow. So, boom, we're at 2 crappies now on the fathead minnows.
So I just got a common shiner. So I'm going to get him off the hook. So we got him off the hook, and here he is. I don't want to hold him for too long because they're fragile. There we go. I'm going to release him. There we go. And there he goes.
Guys, I got a pumpkin seed on the worms. So here we go. Let's get him off the hook. On the worms, not the minnow. Beautiful pumpkin seed sunfish.
So I got another common shiner. Here we go. And I'll get back to you guys when we have the next fish.
Got another little common shiner. Quite a common fish here in this creek if you throw it in the right spot. So beautiful little guy. Let's get him back. There you go. Species for today, a little fallfish related to the creek chub. Similar to the shiner, but definitely a little different. So let's get him off. They do tend to die a little easy. Alright, he's off the hook. Beautiful. Got a nice little bluegill. Pumpkinseed. Lots of bluegill. Yep, nice little bluegill.
Yep, a good old bluegill. Guys, so we are done fishing for the day, and we ended up with a lot of species of fish. Some were caught on the fathead minnows, some were caught on worms, and overall I think it was a great day of fishing. Bye!